Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As per the time zone you're watching this video, today is 6th of January 2022, Thursday, 2 p.m. local time, Kuwait. And in one playground, you can see at the background little puddle created by the rainwater. Yes, you heard it correctly, rainwater. Last week there was continuous incessant rain which created a little puddle here, accumulation of rainwater here. And you all guys can see the seagulls enjoying taking nice bath and playing in that puddle. So Kuwait is not only about desert, and we will come out with more pictures, videos about various parts of Kuwait. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, follow all the COVID appropriate behavior. Say no to panic. Say yes to preparation.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.